2011 Honda Accord. Customer had a check engine light P2649. I'm going to show that to you. And what's happening is it's for the solenoid here, this actuator. And they replaced this brand new, and they still had the same problem. They got a replacement PCM, connected it up. Over there is where the PCM is. By the way, there's 3 connectors. I'm going to show you a diagram. The one in the middle is the B connector, and that's what corresponds to this wiring here. So I tested it. You've got 2 wires here at this solenoid. The black is ground, so you can just test it with any common ground on the car, like I tested it right here, and that was fine. The green and yellow traces goes through here, snakes here, and I pulled it out right here as well, green and yellow, and we had connectivity from here to there, no problem. I then went to the PCM connector. I'm going to show you which pin it is there as well, and there was no signal. So I knew the break was between here and there. Customer elected, instead of disassembling everything and finding the break, to just run a new wire. So we ran a new wire, soldered it up. It's crimped. If you haven't seen, you don't know about this, look at my videos. I'm going to link it as far as best practices, automotive joining wires, crimping. And now we're going to test it out. I tested it with continuity, and we have good now connection from the sensor wire to the PCM connector. So now we're going to actually test and see if the code goes away. It was a hard code. You turn the key on, code comes on right away. All right, here's the codes. As you can see, continuous code, permanent. P2649 is the actual code. So now we connected everything back up. Now we're gonna see if it comes back with key on, engine off, hit escape. Let's try to erase it. They had a replacement PCM, like I said, but without even programming it, the code comes back instantly, which usually 9 times out of 10 tells you that it's a hard fault, something is wrong electrically, and most likely not going to be the PCM. Ignition off, on. Okay, let's read codes. No codes detected right now. Off, on. Try it again. Read codes. No codes detected. Let's go ahead and crank it. You got a booster?
Yes, sir.
Oh, we got it to start. Let's see if we get anything that comes up. No codes detected. We're gonna run it a little bit and come back. No more limp mode. We can accelerate. There it is, boys. No fault codes detected. Click that thumbs up button, like and subscribe. Check the link in the description for the wiring best practices. If you didn't know this, now you know. And guess what, boys? Knowing is half the battle. See you on the next one.